Module selected Unico, module out of Pittsburgh, to install Unico in their Black Streets 1 and 2 project down in the city of Pittsburgh. What we're demonstrating, and Mickey will kind of point to it, what's amazing in a modular factory is the Unico twist fit takeoff. And in this particular case, see, it just comes right off. The gasket, male, female, it's inserting, turning, tightening, leak-free. In the modular factory in February, Mickey and I were able to install everything you see here, the return box, the air handler, our electric heater, and our duct system. What's unique about our small duct system made by Unico in St. Louis, Missouri, is that when we came in, come on into the closet here for just a second, when we came in, we figured on putting a flat duct transitioning from this round to flat so that we could install the entire duct system in the factory. And as we'll see over here, that flat duct fit in a 3 1/4. It was a 3 1/4 by 14 duct, and it fit in an interstitial space that was 4.5 inches tall. That allowed this entire Unico duct system to be installed in the factory, minimizing and nearly eliminating, other than running the refrigerant lines and drain and setting the condenser, minimizing the labor time on site. Once the modules were connected, it would take less than 20 minutes to connect the second floor Unico outlets. On-site labor to complete the duct system, less than 1 hour, duct system complete.